Yes. That is the applicant right. Apply for better. But in the discretion of the Honorable Board of Management. So this is paragraph one. This is paragraph 7 of the affidavit. His annexure is marked. So the written affidavit will come to this. Yes. And Your Worship, that explains that explains there's some connection between the chairperson's letter and the press. I refer you to arrest him, to locate him and arrest him. Locate and arrest him. I refer to paragraph 12 of the affidavit. Your Worship, allow me to submit about those two shootings. None of the shootings presented is able to do so. Then the other way, Your Worship is demonstrating as a shooter that they know the applicant and where they live. In which case we are able to control the abused person in case the abuse consequence. I want to just refer you. Ibrahim, one of the shootings, simply what is the implication is that once he gets out of custody, the possibility of him leading and interfering in the investigations are so high. And yet this TikTok account is a source of investigation. George, I'm not an expert, but once you're not an expert, then you're capable of doing anything on that account which you are in. That's the job. You're saying that was investigated? Yes, exactly. Your Worship, I am able to contribute with the court of the application of 45 years. Your Worship, Your Worship, it is our prayer that you find the shooting presented